The combine harvester has revolutionized rice harvesting, making it faster, more efficient, and less labor-intensive. While there are costs and considerations associated with using this machinery, the benefits it offers, especially for large-scale rice producers, far outweigh the drawbacks. As technology continues to advance, future innovations may make rice harvesting even more efficient, sustainable, and accessible to farmers around the world. By embracing modern equipment like combine harvesters, rice farmers can increase their productivity, improve their crop quality, and ensure a more profitable harvest.